I need to make it to the end of boat boat.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm sorry for just joining so late.
Do not ask why I changed his username to that. Otherwise,
Leslie, did you change my username to I'm a fanboy?
no, I changed Kungawa's to that, but I changed yours. Like only I can see what it is. I changed yours to. I'm not gonna tell you. You can have to watch the video to see.
Alright. Bro, leave it like this. Leave it like, wait.
But
Wait, delete this block.
oh my, bro, what is?
Wait. Yo, boat a wing. I bought a type of wing. It must look like an aeroplane, but it's not an aeroplane.
Why must it look like an aeroplane? Tell me one reason why.
It's just boatable.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay, bro, let's hit it going down this way now. Bro, not 3 blocks long.
Bro, I have 50 more blocks, bro.
Oh, then I guess we can make it longer. I only have 3 wood blocks left.
Bro, can you delete the stuff, bro? Delete that thing on top.
There they go.
What is this? Delete that, bro. Delete that. What is this? What is this? Delete that, bro. Delete that. Bro, use your other blocks, bro.
Alright.
What?
Bruh, I barely have any other blocks. I just have blocks, and then I only have a little of some blocks. Then I have more blocks, and then I have a little. Then I have more.
Okay, let's.
Bro, so can I drive?
Yeah, you can drive. Let's place the seats now.
Alright. Then after that, let's place stuff of ice.
Wait a second. Let me just place the stuff. Where?
Can I please drive?
Alright, I got my seat. Perfecto. Let's just.
Bro, let's do it.
Wait a second. Let me just do this real quick. Alright, so.
Okay, we need to add some protection.
Wait, let me just.
Whoa, bro, make it normal. Make it next to.
Alright,
Okay, but I guess you must boost boost the jet things. Okay, I'm gonna put the bomb behind me just in case. Oh my god. Okay, put another one. Bro, why is it red? Why is it red? Did you already shoot?
No, it didn't, bro.
Oh no! No, why is it shooting? Why is it shooting? It's out of control.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
I shot in this and then it started shooting. Okay, I need to add a
What?
You see?
Oh my god! Let's just add some.
But now we have no.
Wait, let's add some protection really quick.
Already added more protection.
Wait, we.
Okay, Broski, now we need to cover these stuff up with other blocks. Then let's make our boat longer. Then we done.
Wait a second. I need to.
Bro, make this really nice.
Wait.
Bro, sitting here, why?
Let me just get some wood real quick. What?
But I'm trying to keep it around. Keep turning.
Bro, we don't need these anymore. We don't need these.
Yeah, we don't. Broski. But bro, I guess you must set the rockets off.
Wait a second. I just need to add one more thing. One more thing.
I need to also add something.
Perfect. All right.
But I'll put that behind one of the sea behind one of the seats or something.
Wait a second. Let's do this. Look Look at this.
Okay, Broski, I need to add more stuff.
What else are we gonna add?
Don't ask.
You're adding that. Wait, alright, perfect.
Broski, we need more protection, bruh. These blocks are way too weak. Damn, bruh, that was a clean car that just went. Okay, bruh, let's make some wings. I know it's gonna sound weird, but let's make wings so the thing can last.
I'm making a protection layer over here.
Right. So make the wings out of ice like this, because I don't have enough blocks to make it.
What?
Make it like this.
Bro, just use other.
Like this.
Bro, just use
on the side.
Just use other blocks, bro. You don't need to use the specific blocks.
Okay. Bro, remove this ice block.
I know what I can use.
What?
Yes.
What's that?
It's concrete.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna remove these flags. I'm gonna put it on top of something.
Bro, this is more like a plane. This is more like a jet than a boat.
Yeah, because of the rockets. But that must be on this block.
What?
They're on the block. They're perfect though.
Time to make another wing.
Okay, bro, make it on the make the wing. Yeah, and then make these thingy-majingies again. Oh, I also have concrete. I'm gonna do something like this with my concrete. Bro, do you have glass?
Yeah, glass.
Bro. Bro, Eli, can you remove this bomb, yeah? Because we only need one.
Alright, we can remove the bomb.
Okay, bro. Put concrete blocks there. Then I need it to go over like this.
How can you move?
Okay, but I don't have enough concrete blocks. Then can you put the concrete blocks going over like that, and then can you put glass there? Then we need another layer then to cover up everything.
Wait, I want to see some. Is it? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it's see-through. That's so perfect. Oh, Brodsky, we need to make the concrete one block higher.
I don't have enough glass, bro. That's the only glass that I have.
Oh, then it's fine. We'll use ice.
Wait a second. I want to see something. I can buy a glass block. I bought.
Yeah, then buy.
I bought 25 glass blocks.
Oh my god. Let me see if I can buy anything. 85. I'm gonna buy a red box.
Bro, is something concrete or no?
Not. Yeah, bro, cover everything with concrete.
Let me just get some concrete real quick.
Bro, I have 2 of these blocks, but I'm not using it. And then up everything else with blocks.
Bro, can you delete this flag?
Right. I will put the flag more to the side. Alright, there you go. Okay, let me get this thing so I can put it on.
Oh, perfect. Let me just do this real quick.
Yeah, perfect.
Wait, all these walls.
Yeah, just cover these walls with, I don't know, anything. And broski, I'm driving.
What? Why did I get in these?
I don't know, bro. Just cover up everything, then let's go drive. I'll help you. I'll get the random blocks.
Yeah, guys, we will unpause when we are about to launch the boat.
2,000 years later.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm
What's happening? Oh, heck no!
Eli. Control your engine, bruh.
Bro,
What is this? Broski, we're gonna have to walk.
our boat is ruined. We're gonna have to walk all the way there.
I'm gonna have to walk with the steering wheel. Must we go this side or the other side?
Bro has the steering wheel on his back. Oh, bro, look
That's that side that we have to go. I can see the
at that sick car, bro. Look at that sick car over there.
Ma'am, can you come fetch me? Can I have a look?
Hey, can
Yeah,
I have a look, please? Hey, I want a look.
bro, please, no, please, bro. I need this. My boat kinda got destroyed, you know. Bruh, how am I supposed to jump on this thing? Let me jump. No, never mind. I was gonna say, let me jump on your head, but never mind. Bro, where are these soccer balls going to?
Like, bro, they just go there.
Yeah, bruh. Maybe it's because maybe they have update about the World Cup. Maybe that's why they have balls in the game.
Hey, yo, it sounds weird when you talk like that.
I know. Go to us, come jump.
Yeah,
Okay, I got on.
I got you up. Wait,
Giving you my gun.
I
Never mind.
got it on.
Whatever, we almost at the next stage. We're gonna have to walk to the stage.
We're gonna need to walk through this place.
Become legless real quick.
Wait, let me just get locked real quick. Hey!
W.
Double,
Thank you, my guy.
double,
Almost a shot.
W, my friend. How do you what the freak is this? What the freak is this? What? What is happening? Look at that thing over there. Look at that
Laughing, but I'm gonna die. Oh my god.
let me just get caught. Let me what the what? What? is this? What?
Help us, escape comes out. Bro, it's really happy to the void. Ah. Oh my gosh, bro. Steve, what was that? Was that call, bro?
Like, bro, he was doing flips.
Yeah. Give me legless. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, I'm just stuck in the grass. That's good.
I am so short, bro. So short I am.
John, my damage.
Ah,
I'm dead.
I did. I guess you're gonna need to box alone because I'm still walking. I'm still standing better than I ever did. I got.
Broski, I want to go watch TikTok.
What did you say, bro?
What? Should I go or not? Bro,
Yeah.
should I go or not?
Don't go, bro. Don't go until the video.
Bro, I already left the game. Let's not play Roblox. Let's play a different game on our phone that both of us play like Minecraft or something.
Alright. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright. Bye, guys. See ya.
Goodbye, chat.
Like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.